Hey guys, here is a quick sneak peek and behind the scene of my progress into learning how to make a fiddle leaf fig. As you can see, I've got my polymer clay here with different colours and textures. Not quite realistic looking, but it's a first attempt. So this is how it looked. I did share a picture not too long ago with you guys. So this was the first attempt. I was really happy with it, but I felt like I could give it a bit more realism. So I went back in again. I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek of how it looks now with my extra work and detail gone in with it. I made some pebbles, the basket and the fig plant itself. I hope you guys like this. There will be a video tutorial on how the whole process went. I just wanted to share what it's like when you're working on something, it's not quite how you want it. Just get back in there and try again. Hope you guys like it. You guys will be the first to see the video when it's ready. As I've mentioned in my post, there will be some flower videos coming first, but I wanted you guys to see behind the scenes.